In this video, we're going to show you to install the performance ignition coil on your Hyundai Elantra located on the top side of your engine. Now with the hood open, we want to go ahead and remove our engine cover here. You're going to gently grab the corners. Lift up. When you pull this up, you have these sockets right here, the rubber sockets that you're pulling off of the metal studs. Go ahead and set that aside. We want to go ahead and remove the wiring harnesses off of our ignition coils. On this particular model, it has these gray little lock tabs on there, so you can use a pocket screwdriver. Sometimes you can use your finger, but what you want to do is you want to get into this little notch here and push it back. And once that lock tab is pushed back, you can now pinch it down and then wiggle that connector off, like so. You're going to repeat this process for the other three. Good, pull that harness to the side. With the wiring harness disconnected, go ahead and grab your 10mm socket. And we're going to go ahead and loosen. Good. And remove that bolt, hold on to that, we'll be reusing that. Grab that coil, lift that up and out. Repeat that process for the other three. Go ahead and take the replacement performance coil, drop that down inside. Install the bolt. And then snug that down. Once that bolt bottoms out, that's plenty sufficient for tightening that down. Now you want to repeat this process for the other three. Now you do want to pay attention to when you're installing these here, make sure you don't throw all the bolts in at the same time. We do have to rotate our coils just a little bit to get the bolts in. Go ahead and get those started. And just do this for all four. At this point here, you can bring your harness around and go ahead and connect these. You want to push those on. You're going to hear it click, and if you have the locking tab, push it down. Push it down to lock it in. Install the engine cover, placing the ball studs in each of the rubber grommets. Normally you can locate the two rubber grommets on the front with your hands. Lower it down. Once you line them up, press them down, and then the two back ones will automatically line up. And you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.